Hi, I'm Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. In today's video of QuickBooks training, we're going to talk about how to create and email a sales receipt to your clients. Okay, so I'm starting on my QuickBooks Online dashboard. You don't have to start here, really, you can start anywhere. On the left-hand side, under the Customers column, I'm going to select Sales Receipt. This is my preference on how to get there. This is not the only way to get there. So I want you to think of this kind of like driving to the grocery store. There's multiple routes to get anywhere you want to go. So I'm going to type in my customer. So I'm going to say Sample Customer. My sample customer is going to be myself for the purpose of this video. GentleFrog.com. So I'm going to sell a service as of today. I'm going to pick from my drop-down list what services that I might sell. I'm going to say I'm a sell contractor, Rachel. I'm going to call it Awesome Description, $200, etc. And I'm just going to click Save and Send in the lower right-hand corner. This is the subject line that'll show up for the email, and then this is the body of the email. This is the sales receipt that I'm sending. So I'm going to say Send and Close. Now I want to show you something really cool about this sales receipt. So I'm going to click on the magnifying glass, and that'll bring up my history of recent transactions, and I'm going to click on Sales Receipt. I'm just doing that to get me back to the sales receipt that I just sent. So I think this is kind of cool. Up here by the name, you can see last delivery, so I can see when I've last sent the invoice to my pretend customer. I'm going to pop into my email program. I'm just going to scoot that screen over so you can see it. This is what the email looks like. So now this is me receiving the email. It says, Dear Sample Customer, the body, all of this is exactly like we saw. And then here's the attachment of what I've sent. So that is fantastic. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about sending or emailing a sales receipt to your clients, please don't hesitate to let me know. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. Thank you.